Hey everybody, it's Rhonda, and in this video, I want to show you a brand new feature that I just added to Render Studio. We now have a seamless blender option, okay? Something that you can use to create your seamless tumbler wraps. So that means you can now create your image, make your design, do all of that, and make it seamless right inside of Render Studio. There's no more jumping between different platforms. No more having to have a Photoshop subscription just to create a seamless tumbler. You can do it all right here. So let's jump in and I'll show you how it works, okay? So I am here inside of the design canvas in Render Studio, and I have a canvas, a page here that is set to 2790 by 2460, which is the size we need for the 20-ounce tumbler wraps. So that's the size of my canvas, and all I'm going to do is bring in my image. Now you can create your image right here inside of the design canvas if you have a prompt, or if you've already created your image, you can grab it from your history panel. And that's what I'm going to do. I am going to grab this design right here, okay? And the first thing I'm going to do is upscale it so that I know it's going to be plenty big enough. We're not going to have to worry about blurring and things like that. So it takes just a second or two for this to upscale. And once it does, we will move on. Okay, so this is upscaled and we are just going to move it into place here. And I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to resize this to fit my artboard or my canvas. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click Clip to Canvas. That way I can see exactly what is on my canvas or my page. Okay. And that looks pretty good. I think that's where, I think right there, that's where I like it. And once I have it where I want it, I'm just going to come over and click on Flatten. Okay. And that gets rid of all that extra that's off the canvas. So now this would work just like it would in Photoshop, where you would take your image and slide it over till the right side of the image snaps to the center. Then you'll duplicate it and bring this one over until the left side of the image snaps to the center. So we have our seam right here. And again, I'm just going to clip these to the canvas just so, you know, we can see what this looks like. All right. So we have our image lined up here with our seam in the middle. Once we do that, we're just going to come over here to the left, to the bottom, and click on the Seamless Wrap Blender button, okay? And that's going to pop up a window. And in here, we're just going to drag and select the area that we want to blend. And it says here at the bottom, blend seam, 15 tokens. Now, it does cost 15 tokens, but you get 2 generations to give you choices of which one you like better. And, you know, I've tried to make this as cheap as possible, but this is a very intense process to make these seamless. So what we have here are our results. And if you like the results, just select one and say place on canvas there. And now we can remove our originals from behind it. And then I'm going to resize just like that. And now we'll repeat the process of sliding it over, duplicating it, sliding it over till it matches up. And there might be a faint line in there. Just ignore it. It's just an artifact. Once you flatten your image again, that will disappear. So now you can zoom in and you can see everything is back to normal. We have our seamless wrap. Okay. So it is looking good, and that is exactly how you create your seamless tumbler. Now all you would do is just export this, export 300 DPI PNG, and just export it so it is ready to use. And let me just say woman, fish, and then I'll open this in my image viewer so you can see. So there it is. If you click on info, it is 2790, 2460, 300 DPI, and it is ready for you to use. All right, so that's how this new feature works. I am so pleased with it. I'm so happy that it is working, and you can now create those seamless tumbler designs right here inside of Render Studio without going anywhere else. Okay. So let's do one more just so you can see. All right. I'm going to add image, and I'm going to go in here to my history, and let's see what I've got going on. What do I want to? Which one? Let me upload one from my computer so you can see that. So I'm just going to scroll down here, upload from device. If you had one that you made someplace else, you can upload it. All righty. So let me scroll through here. I've got a lot of test images I've been working on. Let's do this one. Okay. We'll add that to the canvas. All right. And I am going to upscale. And I wanted to use something that was, a little bit different, a different kind of image. So you can see it works on multiple types. It's not just... So there is our upscaled image. Let me zoom out. And again, I'm just going to size it down till it snaps to my canvas. And then we're going to clip to canvas and adjust this as we want. And that looks good. So I'm going to flatten and zoom back in a little. And we will move this to the left till it snaps. And then move this one to the right until it snaps, just like that. And once again, I will flatten it. Now we can go into the Seamless Blender tool again, and let me grab the area that we want to blend. We'll give it just a second. Okay, so this is one option. Here's the other option. And if you don't like either one, you can always regenerate down here, and it'll give you two more options. I'm not completely thrilled with these, but it's good enough, okay, for demonstration. I might have rerun that, but maybe not. It doesn't look too bad there. Okay, so now we have that. We're going to put the image back the way it belongs, just like that. Flatten it once more. And now your image is put back together, and it is seamless. So now you can export it and save it to your computer, and it's ready for uploading, ready for mockups, whatever you want to do with it. So that's how this works. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I have a link for Render Studio down below as well with a coupon for 20% off your first month or your first year. So, give us a try. Let me know what you think, and definitely try out the Seamless Blender tool and let me know how it works for you.